Hi all mga sis-Mars! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. For today's video and content, another review and impression na naman tayo sa isang base model iPhone na nabili natin, of course, sa ating recommended shop sa Green Hills, which is KingL Telecom by CMB Gadget. So, nagpa-price range itong iPhone 11 natin na 13,000 to 14,000. Again, mabibigay lang po ako ng price range. Since madalas nagsisale si Boss Mayet, price range na lang po muna ang ibibigay ko sa inyo. So, we have here iPhone 11, color block, 128GB. So, I already have a camera review with this iPhone, but I'm giving you guys my own impression and also review with this iPhone. But before that, let's proceed first in sharing you guys the quick specification look sa iPhone 11. So, this iPhone 11 was released way back on year 2019. At sa display nito, mga sis-Mars, meron itong 6.1 inches liquid retina IPS LCD display na merong IP feature na IP68, meaning dust tight and water resistant na po si iPhone. Pagdating naman sa body build ni iPhone 11, yung front and back details po nito ay merong kerning made glass at aluminum frame na po ito. Pagdating naman sa chipset mga ka-J-Vlog, si iPhone 11 ay merong Apple A13 Bionic na merong iOS 13, upgradable of course, iOS 18.3. Sa main camera naman ni iPhone 11, meron siyang dual camera. Both camera niya is 12 megapixel. Sa main camera video resolution naman ito, cover ito ng 4K resolution na merong 60 fps. Sa selfie camera ni iPhone 11, 12 megapixel din to mga sis-Mars. At sa video recording, cover pa rin si selfie camera ng 4K resolution na meron 60 fps. Meron naman 3 variants itong si iPhone 11 when it comes to storage. Meron siyang 64GB, 128GB, and also yung 256GB. Sa color preference mga ka-J-Vlog, meron tayong 6 choices when it comes sa color. So, we have black, green, yellow, purple, red, and white. But right now, ang i-review natin is, of course, yung color black. So, next naman, pagdating sa kanyang battery capacity, si iPhone 11 ay meron 3,110 mAh battery. The good thing that I love with this iPhone 11 is tumatagal po yung battery capacity nito. So, that is just our quick specification sa ating iPhone 11. So, let's proceed first kung ano ba yung mga nagustuhan ko dito sa iPhone 11. Of course, first thing is yung camera. Never talaga akong hindi na-amaze kay iPhone pagdating sa camera. Kasi lahat ng camera nila is a superb and excellent quality. Though 12 megapixel is not that big and clear, but that is still fine pagdating sa labas at pagdating sa indoor. Magaganda lahat ng nakuha kong shots kay iPhone 11. Including yung selfie camera niya and also yung main camera niya. Pero pagdating sa video recording, expect nyo na medyo may noise, but that is still fine. Understandable naman yun. Next thing that I love with this iPhone 11 is yung chipset niya. A13 was actually fine. Pwede mo siyang pang gaming, pwede mo siyang gamitin pang edit. So, for me, maganda talaga yung quality ng chipset ni iPhone. Kasi never din tayong binigo ni iPhone pagdating sa chipset. Third thing that I love with this iPhone 11 is of course yung kanyang battery. So, 3,110 mAh battery is not actually that big, but matagal ko na pong nagagamit yung iPhone 11. To be honest, meron din talaga akong iPhone 11 previously at matagal ko siya nagagamit. Nagagamit ko pa siya pang gaming like ML, Cash on Delivery, Clash of Clans, COD, at nakakapag-vlog pa ako. Fourth thing that I love with this iPhone 11 is of course yung kanyang body display. As you can see right here, yung front and back niya, glass po. And the last thing that I love with this iPhone 11 is yung kanyang IP feature. IP68 po si iPhone 11 means pwede niya po siyang mabasa kasi dust tight and water resistant po siya. Again po, water resistant po siya ha. Hindi po siya waterproof at hindi siya splash proof. So magkakaiba po yon. So water resistant guys, meaning po nun, meron lang pong specific details na pwede mo siyang gamitin up until 2 minutes ata. So 2 minutes or 2 meter, I'm not sure. Basta immersible siya sa water. Something ganon. So that is just my own feedback with this iPhone 11. So next, let's go ahead and explore this iPhone 11. We have here the camera. Of course, iPhone 11 din nagsimula yung 0.5. So, we have here 0.5 sa photo, but you can zoom in this one up until 5. Sa video naman, we have here 0.5 also, and then times 1. And then, sa video, you can zoom this one up until 3. Ayan, we also have slow-mo, time-lapse, portrait, and also panorama. Sa upper details, we have here flash. There is, an arrow which you can click on. Tapos marami kayong choices, preference if you want to use filter sa iPhone. And then, we also have here the live off and on feature. Next thing is the selfie camera. Selfie camera, of course, you cannot zoom in and zoom out ng sobrang malayo at sobrang malapit si selfie camera. Kasi nga selfie eh. So, video and then slow-mo, time-lapse. Same lang ng resolution sa video 4K dito. 4K up until 60 FPS sa main and selfie camera. So, portrait and also panorama. So, that is the iPhone 11 camera. Let's proceed and check the quality of this phone. Let's try first the video recording. So, I'm using 4K resolution with 60 FPS. So, video recording of iPhone 11, I'm using the main camera with a resolution of 4K and 60 FPS. As you can see right there, ayan yung times 1 zoom in natin. And then, you can zoom in the video up until 3. Ayan. As you can see, medyo may noise yung video natin pag zoom in natin siya ng 3 times zoom in. But that is understandable since hindi sobrang maliwanag dito sa loob ng bahay namin. You also have an option to lower the brightness of this phone. Just click down the screen and then you will see a sun that going upwards and downwards. Ayan. Let's just focus on that. Ayan. So, next thing is, let's proceed using the front-facing camera. So, video recording of iPhone 11 front-facing camera. I'm currently using my DJI right now. As you can see, that is my setup right there. Please bear with my hair. Medyo magulo siya, but it's fine. Ang ganda naman ng ating buhok. Ginger kineme ang ating color for this month. Ayan, so yan yung video. Let's try to use the photo naman using portrait and also 1 time zoom in. So 1.5 and then the zoom in up until 5. Ayan, portrait. Ayan, let's try the selfie camera. So, video recording of iPhone 11 front-facing camera. I'm currently using my DJI right now. As you can see, that is my setup right there. Please bear with my hair. Medyo magulo siya, but it's fine. Ang ganda naman ng ating buhok. Ginger kineme ang ating color for this month. So, video recording of iPhone 11, I'm using the main camera with a resolution of 4K and 60 FPS. As you can see right there, ayan yung times 1 zoom in natin. And then, you can zoom in the video up until 3. Ayan. As you can see, medyo may noise yung video natin pag zoom in natin siya ng 3 times zoom in. But that is understandable since hindi sobrang maliwanag dito sa loob ng bahay namin. So, ayan. So, So, if you're going to ask me, Maring Ana, are you going to recommend this iPhone 11 this year? Definitely yes, mga sis Mars. But if you actually doubting between XR and 11, it actually depends on your decision. But for me, on my end, if you're going to ask me between XR and 11, I still go with 11 kasi may 0.5 na sa 11 and madami na ding features sa 11 na wala sa XR. So aside from that, mga ka-G-Vlog, sa battery naman wala din naman problema sa 11. It's still good and makunat pa naman yung battery capacity nito. Again, mga ka-G-Vlog, I just want to share some thoughts lang sa mga bumibili sa Green Hills na natatakad bumili ng 80% battery health, 90% battery health. That is still fine, mga sis Mars. 75, that is still fine. Matagal pa po yung battery na yan. Mas okay nga po yung mga ganung battery kasi original battery po yan ng iPhone. Yung mga recommended shops naman natin si Green Hills, honest naman sila. Sasabihin naman nila sa inyo if ever na may problem yung phone or kung ano man yung battery health ng ating phone na meron sa kanila. And huwag kayo mag-alala kasi you also have a way to check that iPhone using 3U tools. Nandun po yung 3U tools, makikita nyo kung ilang beses nang na-charge, ilang beses na ba, kung ano ba talaga yung totoong battery capacity ng iPhone nyo. Alright? So again, mabibili nyo to sa recommended shops natin. I can still recommend iPhone 11 this year, 2025. Once again, my name is Maring Ana. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, astories.ugz. Medyo namamalat na tayo. Thank you so much for watching. So, see you ulit sa atin next on a review and impression by yours.